Good morning, children. Today we are going to count the objects and color the correct number. So I have a student with me who is going to solve this question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, Hamza, how many helicopters can you see? Please count them and circle the correct numbers. Count with me. Count first.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 helicopters and there are 3 options.
Wait.
So you have to choose the correct one. Number 1 is 5. Number 2 is 4. Number 3 is 3.
Which one is correct?
So we have to circle number 4.
Next, please count the fish and circle the correct answer.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fishes. So we have to choose the correct option. Number 1, 6. Number 2, 7. Number 3, 5. So we have to circle option 1.
Count the apples and circle the correct option.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 apples. So we have to choose the number 9.
Can you count forward and write the missing numbers? Start from 0.
There 1. The 2 is already written, so we have to write the 3. Then 4. The 5 is already written, so we have to write 6, 7, 8, and the 8 is already written.
8 or 9?
9 is already written. Now we have to count backwards.
Start from
9, so we have to write 8, 7, the 6 is already written, so we have to write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is already written.
Okay, children, as you saw that our student did it with a great interest. So these kinds of worksheets are very interesting for the students. In future, I will bring these kinds of work pages. You can also make them at home. You can make simple balls, fish, and apples, bananas, and ask your students to do simple exercise like this. Tomorrow we are going to do ascending and descending order. Be ready for that. See you soon, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section below. Thank you so much.